g of negative 5 is basically saying find g of x and put negative 5 into x. So g of x is 3x minus x squared. That's g of x. And what is it saying to plug into x? Negative 5. So we're going to take this, replace the x's with brackets, and what are we going to again put in for x? That number right there, negative 5. And then we simplify. So you're plugging negative 5 into g. This right here becomes negative 15. Still minus, and negative 5 squared is 25. Negative 15 minus 25 is? Negative 40. There you go. Alright. Number 2. We're going to find f, plug in 3. We're going to find g, plug in negative 2. And we're going to what? Add them. So first, f is 2x minus 5. And we're going to add g, which is 3x minus x squared. But what are we going to be plugging in? Well, for the first one, we have 2 blank minus 5. For this one, we have 3 blank minus blank squared. So what's going into this blank? What are we plugging into f? 3. For the first one, for f, we're plugging in 3. But for the second one, what are we plugging in the g? G, we're plugging in a negative 2. So for g, we're plugging negative 2 in. For f, we're plugging 3 in. Okay, now we just do the math. That would be 6 minus 5. This one would be negative 6, and this would become negative 2 squared, which is positive 4, but it's minus positive 4. Okay, this becomes a 1, plus this becomes a negative 10. So my answer is negative 9. Okay, the last one's the most difficult. What is the outside letter? F. So we take f here, which is 2x minus 5. And what are we going to do with f? Well, we're going to take 2x minus 5, but instead of x, I'm going to put a big gap. I replace the x with a gap. What am I going to plug in that gap? Well, I'm going to plug in g. What's g? G is 3x minus x squared. Got it? But are we done? No. No. Because, wait, what's inside of g?
4.
Isn't there 4 inside of g?
Yep.
So don't I have to go back to this and replace my x's? Aren't we going to replace those with a number?
Okay.
What is going to go in those numbers? What's going to go in for x?
4.
The number 4. So 4 goes into x now. Now we got to do all the math. This is kind of like a double composite. You're plugging one thing in and then another thing in. Okay, so that's 2. That would be 12. That would be 4 squared is 16. Don't forget the minus 5 at the end. This becomes 2 times, looks like negative 4. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 minus 5. So my final answer is negative 8 minus 5, which is negative 13. Again, this is the most difficult. Again, you take the outer letter, that's F. You replace the X with G. Then you replace the X with 4. Then you simplify. All these problems should end up with a number answer because we're plugging numbers into the function.